See what I gotta deal with? Don't get married, fellas. If you're single and you're watching this video, just keep fishing, okay? Get your bass boat, nice truck, live in an apartment.
$100. Transfer me $100.
Well, everybody, welcome back. Happy 2021. Well, that's kind of past, but it's February, and we got a little snow in South Texas. It's not every day here, man. It goes from like 110 degrees to I think it's like 8 degrees right now, or 10 degrees or something. The snow, so pretty cool. Figured I'd come out here with a camera and just kind of document it. I think the last time it snowed like this was 2017, 2016, and then before that when I was a little kid, like 1984 or something. But pretty cool. Day 2 of snow in San Antonio, Texas. What? There's no power, so the cameras in the front aren't recording.
What? No way.
Yeah.
There's no what?
There's no power, so the cameras in the front are recording. I got when she fell in my little spill. That's about it.
I thought you were gonna throw it at her. People there too.
No, it ain't beat.
Shake it off me. I can't feel it though. Right, you should see what you look like.
Let's go to the front so I can get some good pictures.
Alright, Bob, let's go. Okay?
Yeah, see?
Yeah, because it's cold.
Mommy! Look!
Dang, that's cool.
Mommy! Look! Ready?
Look at Daddy.
Call your name, Cat. Go ahead and get it.
Yeah, get it, Cat.
Sissy! Sissy!
You should do this one right here because there's more. Oh my god, oh.
Look, Mommy!
Okay.
Yay!
Alright. Well, welcome back. It's been day 3 of ice in San Antonio, South Texas. And I think the fun and games are over because of the ice. I don't mind the snow, but the ice is starting to be a pain in the butt. Just want to start my wife's car just to make sure it didn't freaking battery didn't die, which is good. Started, but now my pipes in my house are frozen over, so and we're out of water. I got to go venture out to find some water for us. I know it's going to be pretty crazy trying to find it. So that's what I got. As you can hear, that truck crunching the ice on the road. I got to go out there. I'm going to take the Black Beast out there. These tires suck in rain. I'm pretty sure they're going to suck in snow. So, yeah, I'm going to go see if I can find us some water. I think we got plenty of food still. It just sucks that they're turning our electricity off every hour, 2 hours. I think it's off 30 minutes and they let it run for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours lately, but it's still like 20 degrees out here. My eyes are watering. But it just sucks that they're turning our power off. I mean, I understand it. Otherwise, we wouldn't have any power. So, yeah. It's going to rain again. It's supposed to sleet. And it's going to freeze. It's supposed to get like another low of 18 or 19 tonight or something. So, yeah. Just doing the best we can. Just want to document this stuff. Show you guys that snow in South Texas has been kind of a pain in the butt. I've went to 2 places and they're all closed. I guess I waited too long because it is past 5 o'clock. So I guess that's my fault. So I'm just gonna head on back to the house. Kind of ration what we got, I guess. Oh, there's another one. Just bit the dust off in the ditch. Not paying attention. That's right, you guessed it. Day 4 of ice and snow in San Antonio. We're officially out of all the stuff we need, so I am going to clear the ice off of the wife's car, and we're going to try and venture. I'm not going to take the truck. My tires suck. So I'm going to clear off some of the snow off her car. I'm going to use my little rubber mallet. I've already fell once, but then I killed myself. Check out the flash. My daughter's boyfriend bought it for me. They got little wheels on it. Yeah. And I got icicles and stuff here too. Knock it down. All right, back to the car. Kicks glowing hard, man. These are some glow in the dark Adidas Ultra Boost. A little sunlight, that's what they do, they glow. Anyways, let's go. Woo. Power's out in my house. I can officially say I live in South Texas and I shovel snow. Even though everything is starting to thaw out and melt. There's a tree that fell down right there, but it's day 5, snow, South Texas. I think I'm gonna fire up the grill and cook some lunch. So let's see how it works in low temps. It's like 28 degrees outside right now. Let's see if we can fire it up, see how it cooks. I'm gonna go in the house and warm up a little bit and let the grill do its thing. Hopefully that fired up. It's not acting like it's doing anything right now. So. We'll be back. So my wife and I have been at each other's throats for the past week. She's locked me outside of the house right now. You probably can't see her, but she's right here. And she's making me apologize before she lets me back in the house. So, I already apologized once, but I'm sorry for upsetting you this week, okay? And what? She said I need to apologize about her taking a shower after 3 days. I expected her to take a shower. I don't know what she's getting at right now. Let's open the door.
You're making a big deal out of me wasting water, and I hadn't showered in 4 days because we didn't have running water.
That's because we had low water pressure. Open the door. See what I gotta deal with? Don't get married, fellas. If you're single and you're watching this video, just keep fishing, okay? Get your bass boat, nice truck, live in an apartment.
$100. Transfer me $100. Got a boat out there, right?
The final product, the seasoning on there. Drinking me some wine. My wife's, I stole it from her. It's a little rosé. I never had this, don't like it, but I'm gonna drink it. Ribs are done. Didn't wrap these, just cooked them at 300 for a couple hours and gonna let them sit now. Then I'm gonna come in here and chop them up in a minute. And what else? Oh yeah, fajitas are done. They're all in there. My favorite tortillas, H-E-B, best grocery store probably in the nation, or at least here in Texas. They do some awesome stuff for awesome people. The last little story I heard was the power went out during this whole little pandemic, ice storm, all this stuff. People are in there shopping right now, and the power went out. So the people who had baskets and all this stuff in line, they just let them go without paying. So that was cool, and that's why I say I love HB. Do a little taste test for y'all. A little bit salty. Anyways, with that, I'm gonna eat dinner, hang out. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.